Hi, I'm Dr. Hill, owner and CEO of Hill Family Chiropractic. A really common question we get asked is chiropractic safe for my baby or my child? That's a great question. Just to put things into perspective, they have tried to do research, multiple research studies to try to find a death rate with chiropractic across the board, not just babies, but adults as well. And chiropractic's been around for over 100 years. They took 75 years of that and they were looking at all the data they could find. And some anti-chiropractic research committee have, the closest they could find for any kind of severe reaction or death was 1 out of every 750 million adjustments. So to put things into perspective is, if you have ever given your child or yourself an aspirin, a Tylenol, ibuprofen, those anti-inflammatories over the counter, 1 out of every 6,000, it actually has a death rate. So 1 out of 6,000 versus 1 out of every 750 million, that's a pretty big difference. So you be the judge of that, but the reason why chiropractic is so safe and they have not been able to find any kind of death rate because of the safe and gentleness of those adjustments. It's like taking a few ounces of pressure. Because of the birthing process, it can be very traumatic for a child, especially in the upper cervical, and it can get those bones misaligned, and then it can start impacting the way they feed, having difficulties there, or digesting, or sleeping, causing pain and colicky, and eventually ear infections, or affect the developmental delay issues for a child. So by having a specific adjustment to the spine with a few ounces of sustained release technique with a little pressure in the different locations that are needed to get those bones in the right alignment, to allow the nervous system to function and to flourish so the child can heal, repair the way they're designed and created and adapt to the different daily activities. Even things from falls off the bed or car seats or bike accidents and sports as they go up. We may even need to use an activator, a tool used with a very quick stimulation to the vertebra in the right alignment to actually help get that joint unlocked, get it in the proper alignment, allow those nerves to flow. So if you or your family need to get checked out, you can always just give us a call or find us online and book an appointment there. But just remember, you're stronger, healthier, and happier with Hill Family Chiropractic.